Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go! Calculus problems involving particle speeds can be tricky, but we will solve this one quickly by analyzing the velocity and acceleration functions in just 3 steps. Speed increases when velocity and acceleration share the same sign. This means their product must be positive. We need to find where v of t times a of t is positive. Next, we locate the roots for both functions. Velocity equals 0 at approximately 0.318 and 2.921. Acceleration is 0 at 1.612. Finally, we test the intervals between these roots. By checking the signs of v and a, we confirm the product is positive on the intervals 0.318. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOV. Don't ignore velocity or confuse acceleration. Always check for same signs and test your intervals.